and more heavy rain is expected in Mumbai today, but it is expected to get better by the evening. Mumbai, which has been pounded by heavy rain for the last couple of days, saw the situation worsen on Wednesday as the winds picked up, reaching up to 107 kilometers an hour by the evening. The sudden downturn drew warnings from the city police and Maharashtra Minister Aditya Thackeray, who asked people not to venture outdoors. There were photos and messages on Twitter, and it gave a glimpse of the kind of damage which included tall cranes in the port area to asbestos roofs and balconies, sunshades, overturned cars on roads and falling trees as well. So yesterday, Mumbai really dealt with a bad turn in the weather with as we said, cyclonic level winds and heavy rainfall taking place. In fact, let's just get you these visuals of the Vihar Lake, and that is one of the reservoirs supplying water to Mumbai, which overflowed on Wednesday night due to the incessant rain in its catchment area. Vihar Lake is one of the two smallest lakes supplying water to the BMC. Well, let's go across to NDTV Saurabh now for the very latest. And Saurabh, what is it looking like this morning?
Well, Gargi, you know, the scenes are there for you to see. This is the arterial Pedder Road. At any given time, there would be massive traffic on this road, given the fact that it's one of the main roads leading into South Mumbai, one of the most high-profile localities of the city. But here you can see, of course, on the other side of the road, massive trees have fallen. This is just below the Dongar Wadi, and of course, the entire Pedder Road is blocked with a massive landslide, and all these trees on the side, which are very old trees, also have fallen, blocking the entire road. On the right side is your Pedder Road flyover, which is also completely blocked, as you can see, because of this landslide. And that's the situation around several parts of Mumbai where many trees have fallen. In fact, if I can ask my camera person to show you on this side, this is one of the large old trees that has fallen from the road on top. It's not even on the side of this road, because you can see this road has a built-in retaining wall, and massive cracks have appeared in that retaining wall with these trees being uprooted, and that massive landslide there blocking one of the main roads in South Mumbai, the Pedder Road, one of the most posh localities in the city, and also one of the main thoroughfares into South Mumbai, which is the town. So obviously this situation is something that Mumbai hasn't seen in a long while. 100-kilometer speed winds causing havoc, bringing down trees. And these are pictures of the next morning, as you can see here, with trees having come down here in Pedder Road, leading to the entire road being blocked. Traffic has been cordoned off, and this will take a while to clear. So obviously the police here are saying that there are still a little bit of, fear that because there are more falling, and the officials are working on removing it. But you can see also water flowing through, the rubble there, of that landslide on Pedder Road, which seems to have blocked traffic completely. So this is the situation in Mumbai. And see on the other side of the road, that's the other flank. That's the northbound flank, and there you can see even the road itself has the surface has been completely damaged because of the manner in which the trees, these are extremely old trees, so these have deep roots. So if they are uprooted, they will damage the surface, and that's exactly what has happened in South Mumbai, where several trees have fallen. And this is of course in Pedder Road, where also many trees have fallen here in Pedder Road.